If you love cool items, stick around for a moment. If you've been looking for the absolute best item online, this might just the most is super practical for everyday use. Everyone is talking about it lately because it looks sleek and fits perfectly into any modern setup. When you first try it out, you will instantly notice how reliable and sturdy it actually feels. It completely outclasses older models in the industry. The main benefit is that it delivers outstanding results instantly, which is why thousands of global shoppers have given it perfect ratings. You don't have to deal with cheap, low-quality alternatives anymore. C-Unit is truly engineered to last and delivers exactly what you